bright color.
Oh, I found an Easter egg!
Taylor found one. Come here, Kobe. They're up here. This way.
I found an Easter egg, Dad!
One, Taylor. Where is it? Let me see. Show Grandma. Oh, pink one.
There's candy in it.
Is there candy in it?
Uh-huh.
Want to get the picture?
Cheese.
Kobe, what'd you find? Good job, Kobe.
Colby, put it in your
You
bucket.
found an egg? Put it in your bucket. Let's see if we can find some more. Keep looking, Taylor.
Oh, the mud.
Yeah. Oh, no, that's just... Kobe, get your bucket. Let's find some more.
They clean, they knock those stuff
Taylor,
out.
look at all the trees.
Oh, I found Kobe found one.
Taylor, come over this
We
way.
there
both
more?
have pink ones.
All right.
Wait, there's some trees over there. Maybe he hid some over there.
Good thing I had 3.
I found a blue one. Cheese. Oh, I found them over here.
Go, Taylor. Hurry, go, Kobe, go. Did you find one, Kobe?
You found one?
Yay. Go put it in your bucket. Get your bucket. Bring your bucket. Can you get his bucket, Mom? Keep looking, Taylor. Spread out all over the place here. Kobe, get your bucket.
Egg in there.
Uh-uh.
Another egg here. Is there more? Let's see.
Kobe, can you find some more?
No.
He's looking. He's looking. Kobe found one. Yay!
You find one, Colby?
He just wants to eat first.
What'd you find, Kobe? Put it in your bucket.
Wow, Colby. More? Let's see where there's some more. Any more?
Mm-hmm.
Watch out for mud. Keep looking.
Come back this way, guys. Let's see if we can find some more.
There's more this way.
Watch out for mud. Daddy, watch out for mud. Mud.
A lot of trees this year.
Taylor. Taylor.
Where?
Taylor, what about over by the tree over there?
Cheese!
You find another one? I want to see. Show it to me and say cheese.
Cheese!
Yay.
Can I see?
You want to see pictures?
Uh-huh.
Here's a picture of you. Did you find another one?
Wow, you're a good egg finder.
Yeah, hurry and get it. Taylor.
You're a real good egg finder.
More?
There's more in there.
Cheese!
Let's
go, Colby, over here.
Taylor's. Kobe, you got your grandma's got your bucket.
The lights are fine. Messy.
You got another one.
Kobe found another one. Yay! Put it in your bucket.
Mom, what did you say?
Oh, look at them all, Kobe. We got a whole bunch. More? Kobe, come on, let's go see if we can find some more. Hurry. Oh no. Let Kobe get one, Taylor.
There's one.
Show him.
Kobe,
look down.
One right
Yay! Watch your head, Taylor.
there. Right there.
Kobe, get it. Good job.
Cheese!
Oh, you want to say cheese again? Ow. Oh, I got her bottom.
Colby.
Colby, look.
More?
Can I see?
Oh, that one didn't come
What's
out.
over there?
Right there.
Just smile. You don't have to say cheese.
Wow, that's a good one.
Cool.
Oh, I found one.
Oh, did you find another one over there? Kobe, show me.
I found an egg.
Did you get a Tootsie Roll?
Wow,
Colby.
I can have
All right. Did we find them all?
No.
I think maybe. Let's go see. Make one last scan.
Let's check and see.
Make sure we got them all.
Where the Easter Bunny has been.
Make sure. I got a lot of eggs.
You do.
Let's look for more eggs.
Make sure we got them all.
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, it's still kicking around here.
What?
And they ripped off the old ones. I'm still finding them in the trees. And
Look for more eggs.
Did we get them all, guys?
Maybe.
Maybe. You guys are really good hunters. You might have found them all.
Let's make sure.
Sure.
is that a tree, Colby? Colby, what's that? What is that? What is that? Can you sign tree for me? Hold the tree. Can you sign the tree? You want to walk?
Let's
Where do
look
you
for
wanna go?
more eggs. Oh, just one over there.
Go see.
I want to get it.
Is it?
Oh no, I saw that coming.
It's okay. Taylor, give me your bucket and I'll fill it up. These are Taylor's. Taylor, I don't think it's an egg over there. I think it's a flag. So don't run so fast in your sandals. You will fall. It's just a flag.
For the garden over there.
I don't see it anymore.
Can I eat this?
Do we want to see if the Easter Bunny came in Grandma's house now?
Yeah.
Let's go see.